There aren't enough times in the day that folks don't walk up to me and say point blank, wow, I swam in that pool. This is the first time that I attended a dance. This is a place where life occurred. This building means so much to generations of Tigers. Folks made lifelong friends here. It's in our college's DNA to enact positive change in communities by building the types of relationships that happen in this space. So thank you all for being here today to help us celebrate not only an important milestone for our college, but an incredible step toward restoring an icon on our campus, the Huey P. Fieldhouse.
I'm extremely thankful for the people of Louisiana and those who represent the people, the legislative body, who made the decision to invest in this building the first time and then again.
Working with great partners like LSU and making an impact on the communities we serve is all about what Ochsner is about, and we are so proud to have this opportunity to work with you and to build on the great history that's in this building and in this institution.